everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics and Magic. Today we will discuss the miscellaneous question, two important miscellaneous question of chapter 12. First one is, there are three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD is given. A is 3 minus 1 2, B is 1 2 minus 4 and C is minus 1 1 and 2. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertices. Let us consider the fourth vertex is D, it is X, Y and Z, and this is C, B and A. So now both the diagonals intersect at point O. We know that in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That means each of the diagonal having equal side. So if I think that it is the ratio is m is to n, then m is to n will be 1 is to 1. Similarly, m is to n in case of db is also 1 is to n because these two are also same. Now midpoint of C of AC and BD coincide at O, therefore coordinate of the midpoint O when O is the midpoint of AC, it will be 3 minus 1, 3 plus minus 1 by 2 means 3 minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 by 2 and then 2 plus 2 by 2. That means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2, because in both the side it is 1 is to 1. So ultimately it is 1 0 2. Also coordinate of the midpoint is O in case of BC also. So in this case the coordinate of O in case of BD, it is D and B. So x plus 1 divided by 2, y plus 2 divided by 2, z minus 4 divided by 2. Then ultimately what happened? X plus 1 by 2, we can equate it 3 minus 1 by 2. So 2 by 2 equals to 1. X plus 1 equals to 2 into 1. This 2 will be multiplied with 1. X equals to 2 minus 1 is x equals to 1. Then y plus 2 by 2 equals to 0. Then y plus 2 equals to 0. Y will be minus 2. This 2 will go right hand side and become minus 2. Z minus 4 equals to 2. Then z equals to 2 plus 4. Then z equals to 6. So required coordinate of D is 1, minus 2 and 6. Next important question is, find the length of the medians of the triangle given with vertices A, B and C. So let me write down the vertices and these are the midpoints. So AD divides BC in two equal parts because it is the median of ABC. Then it is 1 is to 1. Similarly BE divides AC in equal parts, so 1 is to 1 ratio, and CF also divides AB in equal part 1 is to 1 ratio. Now let us consider that D is the midpoint of BC, therefore coordinate of D will be 0. This one 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2. So D will be 3 2 0. We know that A, we have to find out the length of AD. A is 0 0 6 and D is 2 3 2 and 0. So what we will do? We will find out apply the distance formula. 0 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. And ultimately it is 9 plus 4 plus 36. Root 49 means 7 square unit. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. Then coordinate of E, it is divided into 1 is to 1 ratio. It is 0 plus 6 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2, 6 plus 0 by 2. So what will be the answer? 303. Now we have to find out the length of the BE. So B is 040 and E is 303. So BE equals to root over 0 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. Then 9 plus 16 plus 9, that is root 34. Finally, F is the midpoint of AB. Again, F divides AB in 1 is to 1 ratio. Therefore, coordinate of F is from here 0 plus 0 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2, 6 plus 0 by 2. So then ultimately it is 0 plus 0 by 2 means 0, 0 plus 4 by 2 means 2, 6 plus 0 by 2 means 3. So it is 0 2 3. So C is 6 0 0 and F is 0 2 3. So finally CF will be, it is 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. 36 plus 4 plus 9. It is root 49 and it is equals to 7 square unit.